Hey, let me show you the best features of CMF Buds 2A. So first of all, we are starting from the noise cancellation. Yes, on this device we can actually find it, but also there's the transparency mode. If you want to save some battery, then you are able to turn off both of the modes. And now let's move forward. In this device, we can find Equalizer with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 default preset, but also with the custom one. So you can adjust treble, mids, and bass up to your preferences. Next, we can also find the Ultra Bass mode. So we can click here, turn it on, and set level from level 1st into level 5th. Next, we can also find a lot of controls. So for the double tap, you can set play and a pause. You can turn previous song. You can turn next song. You can wake voice assistant, but also you can turn them off. And there's also option to answer and hang up calls. And there's the last option that we cannot actually turn off. Next, for the triple tap, we can set skip back, skip forward, activate voice assistant. We can also turn it off or get option to decline incoming call. For the tap and the hold, we are able to wake the voice assistant or change between transparency and the noise cancellation mode. And for the double tap and the hold, we can volume up, volume down, or wake voice assistant. And it actually looks the same for the right one, so we can customize it up to your preferences. By going to the device settings, we can find low lag mode. So this option is very useful when you are playing some games to minimize latency. There's also the automatic ear detection. So every time you put it out of your ears, then your music will be paused. But also we are able to connect this earbuds with two devices simultaneously. There's also option to find your earbuds, but it's only working when you are connected with your phone. There's unfortunately no location with Find My like on Apple. And by going to About, we can also update firmware. And what is also really useful, then on this earbuds, we can find single earbud mode. So you can put one of the earbuds inside your charging case, and then you can simply listen through your one earbud. These earbuds are also supported for iOS, so you can easily connect this into the iPhone and also get the Nothing X application. This application is for sure available in the Google Play Store or App Store, depend if you are using iOS or Android.